headline, security agents lock Fubara out of State Assembly quarters. Supreme Court sets aside Odili's perpetual induction. Nigeria's broadband penetration hits 45.61%. Bauchi governor betrayed us in 2023 elections, Wike alleges. Nigeria fails bid to retain FIFA Council seat. Hello and welcome to Leadership TV News. I am Nefisat Abdurrahman. There was a mild drama at the Rivers State House of Assembly quarters in Port Harcourt on Wednesday as security personnel attached to the facility allegedly locked its main gate, thereby preventing Governor Siminalayi Fubara and his entourage from gaining entry.
I'm here myself this morning with members of the few members of the Executive Council to comply with the Supreme Court judgment. Before my arrival, I've already made several attempts by phone call to reach the Speaker and other members. I also did a letter personally which was transmitted to the Honorable Speaker for this particular invitation. But it's unfortunate that at the gates, you can see that the place is completely sealed and there is no sign that anything is going to happen today. The reason why we're doing this, I've always said it, is the interests of our people, which is the most important thing. Well, I don't think there's anything to worry about. Maybe they're working on their letter. I expect to hear from them maybe after this hour. Thank you.
The retired Honorable Martins Amehule-led House of Assembly has been holding its regular sittings in the quarters since October 2023, when the House of Assembly complex located along Moscow Road, Port Harcourt, was purportedly gutted by fire. It was learned that Fubara was at the Legislative Building for the presentation of the 2025 Appropriation Bill of the State, in line with the February 28, 2025 verdict of the Supreme Court of Nigeria. It was further gathered that the action of the security personnel was hinged on the position that there was no official communication between the governor and the Assembly. However, speaking with journalists at the quarters, Governor Fubara stated that he personally communicated with Amehule through a letter informing the Speaker that he would be at the House of Assembly to present the 2025 budget before the lawmakers. He stated that all his efforts to reach Amehule through phone calls on Wednesday proved abortive. The Supreme Court has dismissed appeals filed by the Attorney General of Rivers State and the Speaker of the State House of Assembly against the leave granted the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission (EFCC) by the Court of Appeal to challenge an order of perpetual injunction of Federal High Court, Port Harcourt, which barred the Anti-Graft Commission from investigating Dr. Peter Odili's tenure as governor of the state. Leadership TV recalls that Odili was governor of Rivers State from 1999 to 2007. The dismissal of the appeal by a 5-member panel of the Apex Court, led by Justice John Okoro, effectively cleared the pathway for the EFCC to investigate Dr. Odili's 8-year rule of the all-rich state and brought to an end EFCC's long-standing legal battle to probe the administration. According to a statement by Dele Oyewale, spokesman of the EFCC, the legal dispute took off in 2007 when Odili obtained an order of perpetual injunction from the Federal High Court sitting in Port Harcourt, barring the EFCC from investigating, arresting, or prosecuting him, as well as prohibiting the anti-graft agency from examining the finances of the Rivers State government during his tenure. Though the EFCC has contested the injunction since 2008, the order has effectively shielded Odili from any scrutiny by the Commission for nearly 2 decades. Nigeria's broadband penetration has climbed to 45.61% in January 2025, up from 44.43% in December 2024, reflecting the country's growing internet adoption and digital transformation efforts. The latest data from the Nigerian Communications Commission (NCC) shows that broadband subscription increased to 98.87 million, a rise from 96.32 million recorded the previous month. This growth is expected to continue, driven by initiatives such as the National Broadband Alliance for Nigeria, a strategic move aimed at expanding broadband access and enabling the country to capitalize on Africa's $300 billion digital economic potential. The surge in broadband penetration is in internet usage, which reached an all-time high of 1,930.6 terabytes in January 2025. This represents a 93.35% increase from the 517,670,000.15 terabytes recorded in January 2023. Industry analysts attribute this spike to the increasing adoption of digital services, streaming platforms, and social media engagement. The Minister of Federal Capital Territory (FCT), Nyesom Wike, has opened up about internal crisis within the People's Democratic Party (PDP) before the 2023 general elections, accusing the Bauchi State Governor Bala Muhammad of betrayal. During a live media chat on Wednesday, Wike counted past events that shaped his political stance, recalling his time as Rivers State Governor when he resisted efforts to undermine the PDP. Wike declined to delve into the matter when asked if he agreed with former Kaduna State Governor Nasir El-Rufai's claim that the ruling party was sponsoring divisions within opposition parties. Addressing concerns about the PDP's preparedness ahead of the next general election, Wike expressed skepticism, blaming some governors for the party's woes. Wike particularly accused Governor Bala Muhammad of betraying the G5 governors during a critical moment of political maneuvering for the 2023 elections. Amid speculation about his loyalty to the PDP, Wike clarified that he had no intention of leaving the party. "If I move to the APC, I will tell you when I'm leaving. I don't run away from fights. I'm not leaving this party. The governors have money, but they are not spending it on the party." Moving on to sports, Nigeria's Amaju Melvin Pinnick has lost his bid to retain a seat on the FIFA Council, bsnsports.com.ng reports. The Confederation of African Football (CAF) held its extraordinary General Assembly on Wednesday, March 12, 2025, during which elections for the executive positions took place. Pinnick, a former president of the Nigerian Football Federation (NFF), was considered a strong contender to remain on the FIFA Council but fell short in the final tally. He secured 28 votes, finishing in 7th place, just outside the top 6 who earned seats on the prestigious body. With this outcome, Nigeria loses its representation on FIFA's top decision-making body for world football governance. And that's it on Leadership TV News. For more of our news stories, you can log on to our website on www.leadership.ng. Many thanks for watching.
Thank you for watching. For sponsorship and advert placements, please contact 080-3688-6158. Last Word Leadership Podcast Studio. You have the last word.